Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I had already filmed this introduction and then I realised that my microphone hadn't been recording it properly, so I've got the footage but I've got no sound, so I'm refilming this section of the video and hopefully I can salvage the rest of it. Today I'm going to show you this really quick and simple summer look. I decided to make it sweatproof so that it would be perfect for the summertime, even though in Scotland we've not had the best weather for it being summer, but we've had a few sunny days, so yeah. All the products I use will be listed in the description box down below, and let's get started. I'm going to start off with this Bare Minerals primer. This primer has a silicone texture similar to the Benefit Professionals, but it's really lightweight and feels moisturising on the skin. Once the primer's soaked in, I'm going to conceal some parts of my face with the Collection concealer. I've got the shade 0 because I'm so pale. I like to do this before the foundation because although I love the Bare Minerals foundation, it doesn't have a full coverage that I sometimes want.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche.
Okay, next I'm going to do the foundation. Like I said, I'm going to use Bare Minerals in Fairly Light 03. It has SPF 15 in it, which is great for the summer, but I would recommend if you're going out in the sun all day to put on a higher SPF. But for every day, this suits me fine.
Living life with the lights out, die with my own doubt.
Moving on, we're going to do my brows. Now, I never usually put a lot of effort into my brows, that's why I love using an eyebrow gel like the Benefit one. Plus, it stays put even if you get them wet. To keep the look nice and dewy, I'm going to use this Smashbox mineralised blush and just dust it lightly over my cheeks. For a light contour and highlight, I'm using my ultimate holy grail product, the Charlotte Tilbury Bronze and Blush palette. One of the best contour shades I've ever used for my pale skin. Keeping the eye look really simple, I'm just using a mixture of MAC Bisque and Wedge, and then I've really been loving the MAC Expensive Pink shade for the lid. Gonna do Soap and Glory eyeliner off camera, and then this is my new favourite mascara. It's the Too Faced Better Than Sex in the waterproof version.
Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited.
I find lip liner to be extremely long wearing when it's hot outside, so I'm using the Rimmel one in the colour Spice. I'm just lining my lips with that, and then I'm going to fill in the rest of my lips as well.
Living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me.
For an extra little pizzazz, I'm going to use MAC Crystal Avalanche, and then a little bit to highlight my lip and a tiny bit under the brows as well. And then finishing off with the Urban Decay Makeup Setting Spray. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Said she like rap, but never from this strong. I'm all in. Really close this time. Really close this time.